Okay, so welcome to our unboxing and assembling video of the giant skeleton that we are ridiculously excited to put together. And yeah, it's been sitting in the garage for about a week, so I was like, hurry up, let's go, let's get this done. And so yeah, we were really excited to see how it was going to be packed in there together. Like, we really weren't sure what we were going to find when we opened up the box, like what it was going to look like. But I have to say, it was very well engineered how they packed it in there. We were really impressed with how well it everything fit inside. So yeah, we decided that, there was a video online that we watched first on how to put it together. So we had a pretty good idea of what we were getting ourselves into and how long it would take, which was about an hour or so. So we laid everything out on the grass, so we kind of had an idea of exactly what we were working with, because now it's not a hypothetical. And at first we were, oh yeah, I forgot. Katrina wanted to get into the box for, what do you call it? So you could see just how big the box was. The whole thing weighed 85 pounds when it came to the house. So we were like, holy cow. I think the box weighed 20 on its own. Okay, so of course, like any good project, you start with the feet. It was a little bit of a puzzle at first, trying to figure out where the poles go in, and what angle and what direction. But once we got the shin bones attached to the foot bone, as they say, then it was pretty easy. And it was a breeze to get the legs put together and set up. We just have to make sure that everything clicked in together well, and excuse me, really impressed with the texture of this, and it was super light too. I was amazed how sturdy but lightweight it was at the same time, if that makes sense. So yeah, we just had to get that all set up. Oh, there's my neighbor Bob. It was so good to have him come out and help us figure out this extremely large puzzle. So once Katrina got the pelvis on, and there it is for, I think it's 7 feet at this point. It's like, we were like, oh my God, it really is huge. So we decided to take it to the front to put the torso and the arms on it, because we knew we wouldn't be able to move it once we got the rest of the body put on, right, and the head. So it was a little bit of finagling to get the arms on, and we weren't really sure how we were going to position the arms exactly. But yeah, that was part of the process, was fun figuring it out. And then we had to attach the wire there so that the eyes blink. I knew that they would shine, but I didn't know they would blink, and it was amazing. So once we got the head on, we knew that we had to enlist some muscle and some help. And thankfully, we have some really great neighbors, and they all came over, and the puppies came too and helped us push this guy up into position. And because there was no way Katrina and I could do this on our own. It was just too tall, and didn't want it to come crashing down. So here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah, yes! It was so exciting. And we're all just sort of, yay, Bob, that's right. We were just sort of standing around like, oh my God, it's huge. Like, once it was fully up, we just couldn't believe how tall it was. Even though you know what 12 feet is, it's just like, wow. So yeah, it was a lot of fun to put it together, and it was great that the neighbors could come out and give us a hand. And yeah, now we're just really looking forward to decorating around it. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for further developments.